What with the pressure of all the eyeballs on Earth watching Olympic athletes compete, the Summer Games often push the limits of building and engineering technology. Check out the Sydney Stadium that was built for the 2000 Olympics. At maximum capacity, it seats 115,000 spectators. If for some crazy reason you wanted to stack those chairs, the pile would be almost 69 kilometers high, more than 7 times the height of Mount Everest. Wow! Even keeping the Olympic torches lit was a technological achievement. There were 11,500 of them at the 2000 Games, which used a total of 922 kilograms of gas. That's the same amount of propane as 85 gas barbecues. The runners carried the original flame from its origins at Olympia, Greece to Sydney Stadium, a journey of 27,000 kilometers, more than half the circumference of the Earth. The highlight of building sophistication is Beijing's National Swim Center, nicknamed the Water Cube. The cube is made of a steel frame shaped like giant soap bubbles covered with a transparent super lightweight Teflon shell. The result is energy efficient. 90% of the solar energy falling on the building is trapped within the structure and heats the pools and the interior. The pool is wired with monitors that detect the winner by less than 1/100th of a second difference. The naked eye can't help spot the leader. A human blink takes 3/10ths of a second. There are sensors embedded inside the starting blocks and underwater touchpads at the end of the lane. The touchpads are ridged to ensure the swimmer's fingertip, not the force of the water the swimmer is displacing, trips the sensor. The sensors are backed up by cameras that take 100 pictures a second. There's seeing, and then there's tracking. Starting in 2000, marathon runners wore microchips tied to the laces of their shoes. Every 7 kilometers, the runners passed by an antenna that recorded their distance and speed. In fact, the longest race of the Olympics may be more exhausting than you think. The original marathon was set at exactly 26 miles, but during the London Olympics of 1908, organizers decided that the royal family needed a better view of the finish line. They added an extra 385 yards to the race so the finish line would be in front of the royal box. And it's been 26 miles and 385 yards long ever since. 42.195 kilometers. It's unlikely the Olympics will ever move the finish line again for a single person. Too many eyes will be watching. The Beijing Games in 2008 are expected to attract 1 billion people. That's 1/6 of the planet.